Full Roger with Wayne. They don't look so bad. Watch the flag, man. Start your watches when you see that flag drop. Go! And away they go, ladies and gentlemen, as they come to me. Full Roger coming on a hurry on the inside, coming on the outside is Full Roger. No, he's tucking back in now with Highbrooks Cobra. But it's Full Roger, but Wayne steadying the speed down now. And it's Full Roger, Highbrooks Cobra, Believe, Live the Dream. And then going in a hurry and with his ears perked on there is Boomerang. And Boomerang's cut them back quite a bit, ladies and gentlemen, when he's got an awful lot to do. But he's got an awful lot of ability, I can tell you that. As they go, Boomerang still closing the gap, ladies and gentlemen, and Live the Dream just in front of him now. Indian File as they go down the far side, but it's just Full Roger that takes him along with Wayne Knox. Full Roger, then we've got Highbrooks Cobra. Full Roger, Highbrooks Cobra, Believe, then Live the Dream. Boomerang up the back and closing still, but he's got a lot to do, and just over a lap and a quarter to do it in as they come, and it's very nice to see them as they come round the bottom bend there in this little bit of sunshine. It's just Full Roger that brings him along. Full Roger, but the others are getting closer and ganging up on him, but he's got some ability. And Wayne Knox is no slouch as a driver, I can tell you that. But it's still Full Roger. Full Roger, Highbrooks Cobra, Believe, and Believe just waiting there to pounce as they go. Live the Dream is there also. Still Indian File, ladies and gentlemen. And now Full Roger finds another gear and goes on now, ladies and gentlemen. There goes Live the Dream with a hurry also. And Believe has gone with a great run and gone on the outside. But it's still Full Roger from Believe. Full Roger, Believe, and look at them go now as they go down the far side, ladies and gentlemen. And going on the outside is... ladies and gentlemen, going up towards the front. But it's still Full Roger from Believe and Boomerang together. And these two are closing. But it's still Full Roger. And the two are closing now. Boomerang on the outside. Believe on the inside. As they come into the straight here. And Live the Dream is trying to people go on the inside. As they come up the straight, ladies and gentlemen. And